Okay, let's talk about something that can drive any business owner crazy. You file your HST return, you're expecting that nice little refund to pop into your bank account, and then nothing. It just vanishes into thin air. No deposit, no email, it's just gone. It's a moment that can send you right into a panic.
And it leaves you asking this one super frustrating question. Where did my HST refund go? Like, seriously, did the Canada Revenue Agency just keep it? It feels like your cash has been sucked into a giant black hole.
So, when this happens, you've really got two choices. You can go down the panic route, assuming the CRA messed up or just decided to take your money, or you can follow a process, a clear set of steps to figure out exactly what happened. And today, we are all about choosing process over panic.
So let's jump in and solve this thing. We're going to crack the case of the missing refund and really understand the system behind why that money never landed where you expected it.
The answer, 9 times out of 10, comes down to this one key term, the CRA offset. Now, this isn't a mistake, and it's definitely not a penalty. It's just a standard, totally automated procedure where the CRA takes a refund you're owed on one account and uses it to pay off a debt you have on another one.
And here's the crucial part to get. Your business number isn't just one single account. Think of it like a big umbrella. Under that umbrella, you've got several different sub-accounts. You've got your HST account, which the CRA calls the RT account. But you also have one for payroll, that's the RP, one for corporate tax, the RC, and so on. The CRA sees all of these as connected.
And listen, this isn't just some suggestion. It's written right into their rules. The CRA has the full legal authority to automatically move money around like this. So they can take your HST refund and use it to cover that payroll balance without even asking you. The system is just built to do it automatically.
Okay, so now you know why it can happen. But the big question is, how do you find out where your specific refund actually went? Well, that's what we're covering next. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to play detective and trace your money using the CRA portal. And honestly, it's way easier than you'd think. First, you're just going to log into your CRA business account. Once you're in, look for Account Balance and Transactions. Click on that, and then pick your HST or RET account. Now, you just scroll through the list of transactions, and you're looking for one specific line. It will say something like, refund applied to another account. That right there, that's your smoking gun.
To really see why doing this is so important, let's look at a tale of two business owners. They both had the exact same problem, but they handled it in completely different ways, and, well, they got very different results.
First up, let's meet Sarah. She's a super talented baker. She filed her HST return and was all set to get an $1,800 refund. For a small business like hers, that's cash she was really counting on.
But the money never arrives. And Sarah, well, she gets frustrated. She figures it's just some CRA glitch, and instead of digging into it, she decides to just fix it in her books. She goes into her accounting software and creates this messy, random journal entry to make her HST balance zero out, just to make it go away.
And here's the problem with that. What had really happened was the CRA took her $1,800 HST refund and used it to pay off a small payroll balance she'd forgotten about. So by making that fake journal entry, Sarah's just created a much bigger mess. Her books are now totally inaccurate, they don't match reality.
All right, now let's meet David. He's a consultant, and he's in the same boat, waiting on a refund of $2,450. And just like with Sarah, the money is a no-show.
But David's reaction? Totally different. No panic, he just logs into his CRA portal, follows the exact steps we just talked about, and boom, he finds his transaction line. It clearly says his refund was applied to his corporate tax, his RC account to pay off what he owed there. He's got his answer in like 2 minutes.
Now that he knows exactly where the money went, David hops into his accounting software. He uses the proper tool for the job, the tax center, to correctly record the offset. He's not making up journal entries, he's properly documenting that his HST refund was used to pay a corporate tax debt. And the result? His books are squeaky clean, they're accurate, and they're perfectly ready for year-end. No mess, no stress.
So what's the big lesson we can learn from Sarah and David's story? Let's boil it all down to the 3 most important things you need to remember next time you're staring at your bank account, wondering where your money went.
So here they are, the 3 rules of missing refunds. Number 1, just accept that CRA offsets are a thing. They're automatic and they happen. They can and will move money between your accounts. Number 2, your CRA portal is your best friend. The answer is almost always hiding in plain sight in your transaction history.
And number 3, and this one is so important for your bookkeeping, always use your accounting software's tax module to record the offset. Whatever you do, stay away from making those random, messy journal entries.
You see, a missing refund isn't just some random error. It's actually a story about how all the different financial pieces of your business are connected. And that kind of leaves us with a bigger question to chew on. What other important stories are your numbers trying to tell you, if you just know where to look?